In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Claude AI's disabled error. If you've opened Claude and seen a message saying your account is disabled, don't panic. This can happen for a variety of reasons, and here is a clear path to get things back on track. The most important action is to appeal the decision directly through Anthropic's official channels. And then make sure your usage aligns with their policies to avoid future interruptions. Start by submitting an appeal using the official appeal form from the Help Center. Keep your message concise, respectful, and factual. Explain when you first noticed the disabled message, what you were doing just before it happened, and why you believe your access should be restored. If you think there was a misunderstanding, state that clearly and provide context that helps the review team understand your typical use. Include any relevant details that can help them locate your account and investigate. But avoid unrelated or sensitive personal information. Before you send, double-check that your explanation is complete and easy to follow. After submitting, monitor your inbox for a response and keep an eye on spam or junk folders in case their reply is filtered. While you wait, avoid creating new accounts as that can complicate the review. If you can't access the appeal form or you prefer another route, you can email Anthropic's support team through their official support channel. Provide the same clear summary you prepared for the form and, if you have one, reference any ticket or case number so they can connect your messages. Keep your tone professional and stick to the facts. To prevent the issue from recurring, review your recent activity for anything that might look suspicious to automated systems. Common triggers include using VPNs or proxies that change your location frequently, sharing a single account across multiple people or devices, and sending very rapid or high-volume queries that resemble automated abuse. If you use automation or scripts, pause them and ensure your usage stays well within published limits. Stick to a consistent network when possible. Keep access limited to your own devices, and space out requests so they reflect normal human-paced interaction. These steps not only reduce the chance of a false positive, they also demonstrate good faith compliance if your account is being reviewed. That's the path forward. Stay patient and responsive while your case is reviewed. Thanks for watching.